What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change add to cart on Shopify, like the color of add to cart. Now this is very easy and it doesn't take any time, and this will work for you 100%. So I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video and follow these exact steps. First, you want to copy the code that I am going to mention, like I'm going to paste that code in the description of this video. So you want to copy that code first, okay? Now the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on online store. As you can see, it says here online store in the left, and as you can see, let me check first. Let me go to my Shopify. As you can see, add to cart, the color is not like it doesn't have any color. Now I'm going to change it right now. Like I said, guys, you want to click on online store in the left, and here you will see two different options: customize and these three little dots. You want to click on these three little dots and you want to click on edit code. Okay, and after, guys, you click on edit code, you want to search in the top left for base. Okay, base dot css. Okay, you want to search for base.css, and this is the file that we want, guys. It's called base.css. Okay, now after that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You want to keep scrolling, and you want to paste that code here. Okay, you want to paste that exact code here, and it says here add to cart button color, and this is the color. This is it. Now after you click save, the add to cart button will be changed. Okay, it will be changed on your Shopify. And if you want, guys, to change it more, like you want to change it to other colors, this is the code of the color. As you can see, background color. You can just go to Google and you want to search for example, the code color for red, for example, or gold, or brown, or green. And this is the code. As you can see, you want to copy it and you want to go back, and then you can change it here. As you can see, change only the code. And then you want to click on save in the top right, and that's it. And that's exactly, guys, how you can change add to cart color on your Shopify store. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. Watch the video in the screen to learn more about Shopify. See you guys in the next video. If this doesn't work, click the video in the screen. It will explain to you guys exactly how you can do this step by step.